I would now like to give the floor, to the gentleman of Slovenia first, and then Albania afterwards. Please, sir.
Thank you very much. Hello to you all. My name is Branko Grimsa. I'm the president of the Internal Affairs Committee in the Slovenian Parliament, and I'm also head of the Slovenian delegation to the NATO PA. Some starting points we had here today, I certainly believe are just wrong. We are not talking about some tourists which were stuck in some foreign country, but we are talking about foreign terrorist fighters. And we are legislators. So our first concern should be the safety of our people. For me, the people of Slovenia, and as we are part of the European Union, all the people in the European Union. That must be our first choice. Always. For the beginning, we have seen some pictures of women and children, and so it makes all softly. But unfortunately, I would like to ask you to start the next such session with the pictures of slaughtered little children in some cities in Syria and Iraq, where foreign terrorist fighters did their job. Because some of the worst crimes in Syria and Iraq were committed by foreign terrorist fighters, not by domestic fighters, but foreign terrorist fighters. And those are the people we are talking about today. And you want to bring them back. We have seen only a few % of those who have returned have committed new terrorist acts, new crimes, so it's not a problem. Oh, really? Then I will take a box with candies and put only a few % of cyanide pills and serve it to all of you who have spoken in such language. Will you eat them? Well, you have no right, if you don't eat them, to serve such boxes of foreign terrorist fighters to the people in European countries. They have right to live safely. They have right to live. So what is the problem here? We are talking about people who have deliberately went abroad, went to destroy anything we believe in, went to destroy all our values, went to live in the people in the land of radical Islam. So why don't we respect their free will and leave them there? Don't bring them back. Because if you would compare this to the whole number of European citizens, if it would be the same %, if that's not a problem, as we have heard, that would commit terrorist acts, then 10 millions of 400 millions of European citizens would commit crimes of terrorist acts. No, they won't. No. So it's unbelievable higher possibility for those who return to commit new crimes. And believe me, those who have cut people's throat will never be the same. We will never be honest, humble citizens. So don't talk about reintegration and de-radicalization, because the real successful 100% de-radicalization and integration does not exist. And do remember, please, safety of our people should be our first concern. So we only have one choice, and I believe you all know what is it. So we are living, and we are in this moment in a town where only 1 year ago we have witnessed something that should never happen. It shows us, this terrorist act, that there is no 100% surveillance, even if you know who is radicalized. There should be no place for radical Islam in Europe, because until there will be no safety for our people. Remember that, and we should act according to that. Thank you.